Build muscle fast at home? Try this easy beginner workout plan. Do you want to build muscle fast but don't have access to a gym? Don't worry, you can build a strong, toned body right at home with no expensive equipment. Today, I'll show you an easy beginner workout plan that you can follow step by step to see real results. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more fitness tips and workout routines. Why home workouts? Work. Many people think you need a gym and heavy weights to build muscle. That's not true. With the right exercises, proper consistency, and a little dedication, your own body weight can become the best tool. Home workouts save time and money. You can exercise whenever you want, and best of all, it builds a habit of discipline right in your daily life. So let's get into the step-by-step plan. Step 1. Warm up, 5-10 minutes. Before doing any workout, always warm up to prevent injuries and get your blood flowing. Try jumping jacks. 2 minutes, high knees, 2 minutes, arm circles and shoulder rolls, 1 minute. Bodyweight squats, light, 1 minute. This warms up your muscles and prepares your body for strength training. Step 2. Upper body workout. You don't need heavy dumbbells. Your body weight is enough. 1. Push-ups, chest, shoulders, triceps. Standard push-ups. 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Too hard? Do knee push-ups. Too easy? Try decline push-ups with feet elevated. 2. Pike push-ups, shoulders. Position your body like an upside-down V. Bend elbows and bring your head toward the ground. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 3. Tricep dips, arms, use a sturdy chair or bed edge. Keep feet flat and lower your body by bending elbows. 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Step 3. Lower body workout. 1. Squats, legs, glutes. Keep feet shoulder-width apart, push hips back, and squat down. 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Lunges, legs, balance. Step forward into a lunge, lowering your knee close to the ground. Alternate legs. 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. 3. Glute bridges, glutes, lower back. Lie on your back, bend knees, and lift hips. Squeeze glutes at the top. 3 sets of 15 reps. Step 4. Core workout, abs and stability. 1. Plank, hold your body straight on elbows and toes. Start with 20 to 30 seconds, build up to 1 to 2 minutes. 3 sets. 2. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, bring knees up, and twist elbows to opposite knees. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. 3. Leg raises. Lie flat and lift legs up without bending knees. Strengthens lower abs. 3 sets of 12 reps. Step 5. Cool down and stretching. Never skip stretching. It improves flexibility and prevents soreness. Hamstring stretch, 30 seconds. Quad stretch, 30 seconds per side. Chest and shoulder stretch, 30 seconds. Cat-cow stretch for back, 1 minute. Step 6. Nutrition tips for muscle growth. Exercise alone won't build muscle. You need proper food. Add complex carbs like oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes for energy. Don't skip healthy fats like nuts, olive oil, and avocados. Stay hydrated with plenty of water. If you're over 60 or starting late, focus even more on protein and recovery. Step 7. Rest and recovery muscles don't grow while working out. They grow when you rest. Get at least 7-8 hours of sleep every night. Take 1 to 2 rest days per week to allow recovery. Light walking or stretching on rest days keeps the body active. Sample weekly. Beginner. Workout plan. Day 1. Upper body. Push-ups, pike push-ups, tricep dips. Day 2. Lower body squats, lunges, glute bridges. Day 3. Core planks, bicycle crunches, leg raises. Day 4. Rest or light stretching day. 5. Full body circuit push-ups, squats, planks, repeat 3 times. Day 6. Cardio turns. Abs jumping jacks, high knees, bicycle crunches. Day 7. Rest. This balance of strength, cardio, and rest will give you results in as little as 4 to 6 weeks if you stay consistent. Pro tips for fast results. Track your progress. Note down reps and sets each week. Increase intensity gradually. Add more reps, reduce rest time. Stay consistent. Even 20 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Avoid junk food and sugar. They slow down muscle growth. So there you have it, your easy beginner home workout plan to build muscle fast. Remember, start small, stay consistent, eat well, and rest properly. In a few weeks, you'll start noticing real changes in your strength, energy, and body shape. Now, tell me, which exercise do you find most challenging? Push-ups, squats, or planks? Comment below. I'd love to hear your answers. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more fitness guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.